Peter, I have news.
What is it?
Did Jane call you back? No. Not yet. Auntie Julie and Uncle Peter are coming to visit.
No way. That is awesome news. When are they coming?
This afternoon. I am so excited.
We better start cleaning then. We can't leave the house like this. Let's tidy up first.
Hey, look who is here. Hey, Crazy Pants. I missed you. I missed you so much too.
In case anyone was wondering, I missed you too. Hey Becky, you have any monster?
Some things never change. So true.
So, is it with a no?
I will go see. Come with me to the kitchen.
Auntie Julie?
Hey, kiddo. Oh my God. Peter, look at you. How are you, my baby boy?
Well, I am not a baby anymore. But for you anything. I am fine. I am so happy to see you.
Me too. It has been way too long. It is so weird how big you got.
You think that is weird? You have not seen Zach yet. Now that's weird.
Hey, be nice to your brother. He is a little guy.
You are right. Now I will go help Mom in the kitchen. Zach will be down soon.
Sounds good, buddy boy.
Oh, Auntie Julie. I am so happy you are here.
Hey. Who asked you to grow up?
Actually, everybody. Ha 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 ha.
Well, I did not. So are you going to give me a hug? Or do I have to get you myself?
I missed you so much.
I missed you too, kiddo. But no crying. I am here now.
Yes, you are right. Thank God we are all together again.
Hey, do you guys have more popcorn?
No. Sorry, Uncle Peter. I guess some things never change.
Yep. Some things never change.